See you again soon, buzzard.
No way, bub. Rehabilitated. This is the last time you're seeing this mug.
You said that the last 20 times.
Nobody's here to greet me? Come on. Where's everybody going?
Butterscotchy finger pies! Come and get 'em!
You woodpecker, pal. Them butterscotchy finger pies smell great. Give me one.
Got me money? No pay, no pie.
Oh, it's the woodpecker's recipe.
My butterscotchy finger pie recipe. I've looked everywhere but the kitchen and still no recipe. Ah, the kitchen sink. Nothing in here. Guess I have to make them by memory. I may be a bird brain, but how hard could it be to wing it? Close enough.
One butterscotchy finger pie, please.
Butterscotchy finger pies. Get your butterscotchy finger pies. Fresh and tasty, the way we used to make them.
Ooh, I want
Ka-ching!
Hey, this is mine. And this is mine. And this is mine. La 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 la. La 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 la. Are you ready to rock? Eat pie, buzzard! Out of pies. Out of supplies. Just gonna borrow a few things. Don't mind me.
My stuff is gone! Where'd all my stuff go?
I got all the pies you can eat.
I'm gonna lose my customers and all their sweet, sweet money. I gotta do something. Pies! Get your butterscotchy finger pies! What's this? The food police? Multiple violations? Shut me down. Back to jail?
package for our rotating resident. Oh, you'll be back.
Woodpecker bird. I know you'd come through. Woodpecker! Woodpecker! It's great to have pals.